Hello, everyone. This is Tina from Tina's Workshop, and today is Friday, November 29th. This is episode 37 of my weekly podcast, my weekly update, weekly show and tell. It is currently 62 degrees and sunny. We actually have some nice sun going on, especially it's very nice after that bomb cyclone we had that went through, so everything's getting a chance to dry out again. I am on all the usual social media, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, all those things, and the links for all that is down below, including email and snail mail. So now I say this all the time, but this should be a shorter video, because I don't have a whole lot. I've been working really hard trying to get some videos done and ready to upload so that they will be uploading while I am gone. But I did get one thing finished, and I had planned on doing a little video insert to show you guys and forgot. But I did take pictures, so I will post pictures for you. I did finish the Bunny Capuzzi cowl by Noma Knits. That is for my son's girlfriend for her birthday, and I drove him to the airport in the middle of the night, so he has landed in Philly, and we'll be giving that to her soon. So I really hope she likes it. I think it came out absolutely adorable. I ended up with that much yarn left. Not very much. I did not do the last repeat of 10 rows, and then I left off the last 2 rows of border because I was worried I wouldn't have enough, and I think I was right. I think I might have gotten another row. I mean, this goes really far because it's such a fine yarn, so I think I might have gotten another row, possibly the other 2 rows for the border, but I didn't want to take any chances. But I still think it came out really cute and will be quite functional for her. So that is the only thing that I have completed for this week. I do have a couple works in progress, as usual. The Musselboro hat by Ysolda Teague that I've been working on for my son. And I have had a number of times where I've been able to sit and work on it. We went and saw Wicked, and then last night we went and saw Red One, and I brought it with me both times, so I was working on it in the movie. And during Wicked, I was cruising along just fine, and then probably about a half hour before the end of the movie, I dropped a stitch. And being a dark theater, I could not find the stitch. So luckily I realized I had dropped it. So I was able to put it away. When I got home, I fixed it. So last time you saw it, I was right there, and I have done that much. So I'm cruising right along. I'd say I'm just about halfway through now. So it needs to double. Let's see where I'm at. I'm at about 12 inches at the moment from end to end. So it needs to pretty much double in size before I complete it. So we'll see while I'm on the trip. Maybe I'll get some more done, but I am bringing a few things with me to work on. But this one's a pretty easy one if I don't want to pay attention to what I'm working on, because I can just work it. My next work in progress is in bag made by me, giant bag, because there's lots of yarn in here. It is the Christmas stocking that I got. It's an order. I totally lost the word I wanted. It's for an order. It's a vintage stocking, but it's not the one that I normally do. It is a different one. It is, find the right page here to show you. I believe it's by the same person the other one is that I normally do. It's a reindeer and sleigh stocking pattern. And here's a image of the graph so you can see but it's written very, very similar to the other one that I normally do. So I've got my name charted out. I am just starting the first row for the name. So I've got my bobbins put on. It's down here somewhere. Big bag. And of course, it never fails. You're always halfway through a row when you go to video or something. Because normally I try and finish a row. And I had to set it down last night when I was partway through the row. So I've just started the row with the name on it. So I'm not very far. But this is my next thing that has to get done because it has to be done for Christmas. So I'm planning to work on that as much as I can while we are traveling. I don't know how much I will do while we were on the road. It just depends on the roads we're on. And if we're on roads that are a little bit too much to try and concentrate on the pattern, then I will most likely be working on this one. I am also, let's see, back and forth. Okay. I'm bringing along with me Wonderland Yarns, of course, because that's the next thing I need to get done. So as soon as the stocking's done, I can work on those. They, again, may be something I might not work on in the car. It would be more of when we stop for the night, stuff like that. I am bringing the Quay scarf for my son. I have another video that I'm working on that I told you guys about, the Santa hat from Red One. So I did my intro for that video and plan to work on it while I am gone, hopefully. So I have that with me too. And then I also brought that Toft poinsettia pattern. I know I'm bringing way too much. There's no way I'm doing all of that while I'm gone, but I'd rather have extra than run out of things to do. So, yeah, I've got a bunch with me. Plus, I am bringing my Advent, so I can open the Advent packages, my yarn Advent, while I'm gone. So, yeah. Because, even leaving home, I've got to be busy, right? The only other thing I have worked on this week a little bit is the Flower Power blanket. And I did not actually grab it. I meant to, and I didn't. But it looks basically the same as last time. I think I might have gotten one more round on it. So, and that is really all I have worked on this week. Thanksgiving, I was cooking all day yesterday. And trying to get videos done and stuff like that. So I've been very busy. I just haven't had a lot of downtime to be able to sit and work on projects, which is what I'd love to be doing. My husband, on the other hand, has been quite busy. Okay, that was fun. I just recorded a clip and I didn't I hit the button, but it didn't unpause, so it didn't record. Anyway, so my husband has made 22 spindles. So the whorls of 20 of these you've already seen, and then he's added a couple purple hearts. So he's got all the shafts done on them now. So now they just need to have their little notch put into the side, and then any last minute sanding that the two ends may need and the hook put into it, and then they will be done. And he also finished up the mortar. I believe, I didn't know last week, mortar, pestle. I believe this is the mortar and the handle is the pestle, but I don't know. I could be wrong. But he filled in with the black resin on the crack, and there was still a tiny bit that didn't fill, and he decided to leave it because it kind of accentuates, like, okay, there was this crack there that's part of the piece. But it is structurally sound now because the deepness is filled in. So I think it came out really pretty. So that is done. He's just got to make the pestle now for it. Okay, so the only other thing I have for you is acquisitions. See, I told you it was going to be a quick one. Hey, I was right this time. I did order a couple furls hooks recently. They were on sale and, I couldn't help myself. So I got an eye hook in this beautiful gold glittery. And I can't remember the names of the different ones. They have names for all these. I got an H in this really pretty blue and white. And then I got a K in this pretty green. And when I eventually get the chance to work on that green shawl that I want to work on, this is the size that I need, and it's in a green color. So I got those, and I'm using this one already on the Flower Power blanket. And the other thing that I got in the mail, I ordered from the Playful Knitter, who is another YouTuber. And she is in Denmark. And she makes these really cute bags. And I'm already using it with the stocking stuff. So I need to, trying to move some of that out of there. Let's see. And I got little goodies in it. But she makes these really cute peekaboo bags. I pulled enough out. So it's this really cute little Christmassy peekaboo bag. Isn't that cute? So you can see the project that's in it. And then inside she also sent me this little Tweelings Glow strawberry and cucumber with green tea and aloe vera tea. I love tea, so that's great. And a little lavender sachet with her little button. Oh, come on, focus. You know you want to focus. Don't do that to me right at the end. And that's her little card, the Playful Knitter. So anyway, I will link her down below, and you have to check her out. She has a great podcast, and then she occasionally makes these bags, and she has a Instagram page just for her bags, and she'll post when she has them. And I was lucky enough to snag one from her. So, and I had a nice little chat with her. It was late at night for me and early in the morning for her. So that is all my acquisitions I have, and that's all I have for you this week. So again, it's a very short one. I will be doing the daily shorts, opening my Advent. I'm not positive if I will try and do a weekly update while I am gone. Otherwise, that will be when I get back. But I do have videos set to go up while I'm gone on Wednesdays. So I hope you all if you're in the U.S., I hope you all had a great Thanksgiving. I hope you have a great weekend and a great next week. And we'll see you all again soon. Bye. I bet you thought that was it. I bet you thought you got off easy this week. Sorry. I went to the mailbox and my Into the World was there, the November package, and it is called Redundancy. And it is a 70-30 blend of Tussa silk or Shetland and Tussa silk. So 70 Shetland and 30% Tussa silk. So you can see the ribbons of silk in it. It's very, very pretty. Lovely, lovely colors. So that will be a fun one to spin up. It's actually kind of similar to the last Wonderland yarns. Look at that. We've got similar colors, except that you've got the added purple and stuff into here, but yeah. Anyway, just thought I'd show you. Then I don't have to try and remember to do that later because it is not coming with me. Believe it or not, I'm not taking any spinning with me, actually. I mean, I do have a drop spindle that stays in the car, but I'm not planning on taking any spinning with me. So anyway, that's it. I'll see y'all again soon. Bye.